But you know what I love about the three of you and all of you that serves in this program is that you are really doing something that you're truly passionate about. You love what you do. And anyone that loves what they do, they transmit their very best every single day. And when I visit your programs, that's what I get to see. That's what I get to experience, the best of the best. And then I get to see children that in other classes, the same student, but when they're in your classes, how engaged they are. Right? Because like you said, it's contextual learning. You know, you have the animals there, you have the plants there, and you're tying it all in, so it's real life.
You know, this is something that we enjoy. We love seeing the students engaged. We love seeing the students, because there's something about when you see that sparkle in their eye when they win that competition or they receive that internship that they've been working so hard for. That's why we do it.
Yeah.
And I think building that confidence, just continuously working with students to build their confidence. You know, I had a student several years ago that she couldn't make eye contact, and having a conversation was very challenging. And she gave a 5-minute speech for her senior year on stage in front of 300 people. And to see that confidence, we talk often that working with others, that true team building, negotiations, inquiry-based learning, you're going to do that the rest of your life.
Yeah.
You're going to have to figure out how to solve problems and figure out how to work with others and be able to communicate effectively. And I think that happens through all of our classes and through the FFA. There's a lot of opportunities for students to grow their personal speaking skills and gain that confidence.